the backward ocho. First, see what we are going to do. Now let's see each part. I will do first the leader's element. We start as in the box. 1, 2. And here I will put my feet together and change weight. 3 won't be this time with my right, 3 will be with my left. One more time, I repeat that. 1, 2, and 3. I do this step 3 in diagonal because in that moment I need my partner the first backward ocho, the first pivot and step. This is not as pronounced as when we work this in the same spot. It's more with displacement. Let's see from the beginning what the follower does. 1, 2, and 3. As you notice, we call feet together and it's an element that is in between the positions. In between the position 2 and the position 3. Also, when we do the square, I was doing this position. I want to also, for you to pay attention that in that position you can pause. You don't need to do 1, 2, 3. You can do 1, 2, and wait 3. And in this case, for the backward ocho, we are going to do it. So, 1, 2, and 3. You see? It's a little diagonal, not much, because we still travel that direction. Good. Okay, so now what continues from the leader point of view? 1, 2, and 3, 4. My right leg steps in diagonal to the right. And then feet together. Another and, if we use the expression, feet together, because also I am going to change system. We talked about this idea last week. I am starting in parallel system, 1, 2, and 3 in cross system, 4 in cross system, and now my next step forward will be with my right. We will be back in parallel system, turn, go, close. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and step, turn, go, close. Let's see what the follower does. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 step, and this one is the position 3 in the box, and then turn, go, close. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 in parallel system, turn, go, close. Two and 3, 4, and 3, tango, close. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 3, tango, close. And you can always travel counterclockwise direction with all the elements. I am using mainly my left hand to direct my partner, a little bit the right hand, but the left hand for the leader will be more clear in the lead. So here, 2, and see, I am rotating a little bit. So then 3 is in cross system. See, she's stepping with her left, I am stepping with my left. And then also with my left hand, I tell her to go with her right that direction, and I step with my right that direction too. One more half pivot, because here we pause with feet together, and now is my right with her left. That is a position 3, the position in which we use a forward backward. And then tango, close. This hand for you leaders has to be stable and clear. Strong but not force, not squeezing strong. Firm, clear. Should we try?